If you're charged with an assault on your spouse, somebody you live with, or somebody that you share a child together with, that's categorized as a crime called domestic violence. And if that assault results in even the slight redness on the skin, you would be charged with the crime pursuant to Penal Code Section 273.5. It's called corporal injury on a spouse or cohabitant. And if you're charged with that crime, being convicted of it has serious consequences. First, you could be facing up to a year in county jail or a $1,000 fine. Additionally, you'd be required to attend domestic violence classes for 52 weeks straight. Furthermore, there'll be a mandatory protective order issued against you from the day you're accused of the crime to the day you're convicted and beyond. And that mandatory protective order would require you to move out of your own house if it was your spouse or cohabitant who was attacked. And that has a serious consequence both on your relationship, on your financial ability and where you're going to live, and on raising your kids. These consequences are grave if convicted. So if you're accused of that crime, you need the best defense with lawyers who are experienced in handling these domestic violence cases and have the ability to get you the best results. We've handled hundreds of these types of cases, and consistently we find ways to protect the rights and interests of our clients. You cannot afford, if you're charged with a domestic violence case, you cannot afford to give yourself over to a lawyer who does not have the talent or the experience to defend you. These cases are difficult to defend. Both the court system, the prosecutors, and society's judgment of you is severe. We know how to combat that judgment, and we know how to protect your rights and interests if you're accused of that crime.